Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make bar of pie chart in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first we have to open a Word document. Then we want to make bar of pie chart in this document. Firstly, go to the insert menu. Then click the chart option. Now we can see here many chart. We select the pie chart. Then select the bar of pie. Then click OK. Now we can see here we insert the bar of pie chart very easily. Now we want to change the data of this bar of pie. Select the chart cell and change the data. Otherwise you can add another tools like data labels or legend, etc. You can hide or show the legend to check mark on or off the legend. Otherwise you can change the layout of this bar of pie chart. Click the style option and change the layout. You can change the color, go to the color option and change the color. Apply another filter or value. Now we can see here we make bar of pie chart very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.